Hey everybody, I just wanted to make a quick video about this cool device that I got a couple of months ago. It's called the Vinyl Flat, and I was a little apprehensive about it. Didn't know if it would actually work. I watched a couple videos on YouTube and the people that used it seemed to have good results, so I thought, what the heck, I'll order it. And since I've gotten it, I have repaired quite a few records. As you can see, I'm a big vinyl person, mostly Elvis, obviously, but I collect a lot of vinyl. And a lot of times you'll get vinyl, especially in the mail, and they'll be warped, unfortunately, from going through the mail, which really sucks. So that happened quite a few times to me, and I was able to fix quite a few of my records with this. It's really easy to use. You just there's two like heavy plates, and you just unscrew this little bolt and you put the record underneath and you screw it back on, and they give you these felt things to put underneath and over the record to protect it. And then you can either use the oven, which I will probably never do because that just seems really harsh to me, or you can order this pouch that I ordered, which is really cool. You seal it up and then you turn it on and it heats up, and there are instructions to go along with it to tell you how long to do each record, depending on like if it's a 180 gram record or less than that. The only records I haven't been able to really fix are the like Dynaflex, really flimsy ones. They don't seem to want to fix in this, but I have repaired at least 12 to 14 records with this. So I will post before and after videos for you so you can see how good the results are. So if you are a vinyl person like me and you collect vinyl and you have a problem with getting some new records in the mail that are warped or have records that are warped, I totally recommend this. It's awesome. It's some of the best money I ever spent. So I just wanted to make a video and tell y'all about this. So until the next video, see y'all later.